Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable Wacom Cast on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Now here, go to connection, and in the connection, go to the network. Now here we will have the Wacom Cast. As you guys can see, we can turn on our TV by screencasting to our mobile devices. So now it's enabled, and that's basically it. We can disable it, we can enable it, but we will get the standby notice that it will consume a lot of energy and power. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.